5.2.3 Formulate quadratic equations given a graph. The essential question is, how do I formulate quadratic equations given a graph? The skill is, I can formulate quadratic equations. A parabola is shown in the graph below. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is find some characteristics. Right here is the vertex. It's at 1, -2. We want to also find our zeros. -1, 0, and 3, 0. And then we also want to find our y-intercept. Looks like it's at 0, -1.5. So from here, we're going to solve for A. To solve for A, we want to find the vertex form equation except for A. So the formula for that is y equals A parentheses x minus h squared plus k. H comma k is the vertex. It's 1, -2. Our x and our y could just be some other point on here, like 3, 0, for example. So let's plug that in here. So we're going to use the point 3, 0. So 0 equals something times 3 minus 1 squared plus -2. Let's solve for A. Add 2 to each side. 2 equals A parentheses 2 squared. 2 equals 4A because 2 times the second power is 4. Divide by 4. A equals 1/2. So from finding that, we know that A is going to equal 1/2. Also from that, we know the vertex form. Y equals 1/2 x minus 1 squared minus 2. Let's find the factored form. Y equals our A again, 1/2. X minus our first 0, so x minus -1, so that's going to be a +1. And then x minus our other 0, which is 3. If you plug those in, -1 plus 1 would be 0, and 3 minus 3 would be 0. So basically the formula for that is y equals A parentheses x minus our first 0 times x minus our second 0, also known as roots. This is R1, this was R2. Just like from before, this was our H, this was our K. All right, let's look at the standard formula. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. This is our c, and our a was from before. Y equals 1/2 x squared plus something x minus 1.5. Well, to get that other something, we can multiply out our factored form to get that. So 1/2 x times x is x squared. X times -3 is a minus 3x plus 1x, and then minus 3. Combine the like terms, this gives you a -2x. And then we'll distribute the 1/2 into each of those. So So 1/2 times -2 is going to be a -1. And then for the conic form, we have y minus k equals a parentheses x minus h squared. So all you have to do for that one from the vertex form is to move the k to the other side. So we'd add 2 over here. Y plus 2 equals 1/2 parentheses x minus 1 squared. All right, go ahead and try the examples below. The A is already calculated for you. What you need to find is the factored form, the vertex form, and the standard form. Remember, for factored form, you want to find the zeros. For vertex form, find the vertex. And for standard form, find the y-intercept to help you with these. Once you're done with that, move on to the next skill.